Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix I cannot receive the email or text containing the verification code. Now if you have this problem, what do you do? Now if you cannot receive the verification email, you've tried but you could not receive it even after registering for the Iqiyi account, what you do is that check to make sure the email you entered is correct. Next, you check the verification email is in your junk mail folder. And also there might be a delay due to the server traffic, so just keep trying again. Now if it is for, let's say you could not receive the verification text message. Now I've told you the first one is for the verification email. Let's say you could not receive the text message. What do you do? Check to make sure your phone number is that you entered is correct. Then click on send verification code and use the latest code that is sent to you. Then we also suggest that you check if you have ample text capacity on your phone and if the signal is stable, and also to try to receive the verification code again after 1 to 2 hours. There's an upper limit for verification code you can receive via text message with one phone number per day. I would suggest you not do it frequently. Then you check if your mobile phone has any security software that might be intercepting the verification code messages. We also recommend temporarily disabling any interception features and checking your phone's junk or spam folder for the verification code message. Now, if the problem is still unsolved, please submit your problem in feedback on the platform. Yes, go to iqiyi.com and then click on feedback in the platform with your email address or phone number, and they will handle it for you as soon as possible. Hope you found this video helpful.